Unlocking the secrets to becoming a millionaire. Welcome to an exhilarating journey towards financial abundance and prosperity. In this captivating video series, we delve into the fascinating world of being a millionaire and uncover the key principles, strategies, and mindsets required to achieve this coveted status. Whether you aspire to become a millionaire yourself or simply seek to gain insights into the path of wealth creation, this series is designed to enlighten, inspire, and empower you. The road to millionaire status is paved with determination, knowledge, and a relentless drive to succeed. Throughout this series, we will explore various aspects of wealth creation, including personal finance, investment strategies, entrepreneurship, and mindset development. By combining practical advice with powerful mindset shifts, we aim to provide you with a comprehensive toolkit for achieving financial independence and abundance. Understanding the fundamental principles of personal finance is crucial on the journey to becoming a millionaire. We will unravel the mysteries of budgeting, saving, and effective debt management, equipping you with the necessary skills to take control of your financial destiny. From identifying and eliminating financial leaks to maximizing your income streams, you will gain invaluable insights that can accelerate your wealth-building journey. In addition to personal finance, we will delve into the world of investment strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our expert guidance will help you navigate the complex landscape of stocks, real estate, and other wealth-building vehicles. Learn how to assess investment opportunities, manage risk, and make informed decisions that can amplify your wealth exponentially. Entrepreneurship plays a pivotal role in the pursuit of millionaire status. We will explore the mindset and strategies adopted by successful entrepreneurs who have built their fortunes from the ground up. Discover the secrets of identifying lucrative business ideas, scaling ventures, and creating sustainable income streams that have the potential to generate significant wealth over time. While financial strategies and business acumen are crucial, the right mindset is equally vital on the path to becoming a millionaire. We will delve into the power of positive thinking, goal setting, and visualization techniques that can reshape your beliefs and propel you towards financial success. Cultivating a millionaire mindset involves overcoming limiting beliefs, embracing abundance, and adopting a growth-oriented perspective that attracts opportunities and prosperity into your life. Throughout this series, we will feature interviews with accomplished millionaires who will share their personal journeys, insights, and lessons learned along the way. Their stories will inspire you, provide valuable advice, and illustrate that anyone can achieve financial greatness with the right mindset and strategic actions. So, whether you're just starting your journey towards financial independence or seeking to refine your existing wealth-building strategies, join us on this transformative adventure. Through this series, we will empower you to unlock your full potential, embrace the mindset of a millionaire, and embark on a path that leads to lasting wealth and abundance. Together, we can uncover the secrets to being a millionaire and make your dreams of financial prosperity a reality. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any future episodes packed with valuable insights and actionable advice. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey that will forever change your financial landscape. The time to unlock the secrets of being a millionaire is now. Thanks for watching.